If you're like most people, you spend a huge amount of time browsing the internet. But have you ever stopped to think about how much your browser is tracking you and how much it might be slowing you down? Today, we're diving into your browsers, specifically Chrome and Edge, and uncovering the crucial settings you need to change right now to boost your privacy and performance. We'll also touch on other fantastic browser options, so stick around for that. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Let's kick things off with Google Chrome, the most popular browser out there. While it's packed with features, it also has a reputation for being a data hog and sometimes a performance drain. Here are the key settings you need to adjust. First, you'll want to get into the settings. Click on the three dots up here and select Settings. Under Privacy and Security, we have some crucial adjustments. Third-party cookies are used by websites to track you across the web. I highly recommend blocking them. Select Block Third-Party Cookies. You can also turn on Do Not Track. Next, you'll want to click on Performance. Chrome tries to speed things up by preloading pages it thinks you might visit. While it can make browsing feel faster, it also means Chrome might be setting cookies or tracking you before you even click. For better privacy, select No Preloading. Back in Privacy and Security, you can click on Security and adjust your safe browsing. Keep this on for protection against dangerous sites. Standard protection is a good balance, but enhanced protection is more secure. Go back to Privacy and Security and then select Site Settings. Many websites ask for access to your location, your camera, your microphone, and more. Review these permissions. I recommend setting things like location, camera, and microphone to ask before accessing, or even don't allow by default. You can always grant them temporary access if a site truly needs it. To limit personalized ad tracking, go into Privacy and Security, and then Add Privacy. Turn off things like ad topics, site-suggested ads, and ad measurement. Now head over to You and Google. Under Sync and Google Services, review what data you're syncing to your Google account. If privacy is a big concern, you might want to limit what you sync or even disable sync altogether. You can also disable things like improve search results or make searches and browsing better. If Chrome is feeling sluggish to you, you can click on Performance and enable Memory Saver. This frees up memory from inactive tabs, which is great if you have many tabs open. Another thing you'll want to check is your extensions. Extensions can add great functionality, but they can also slow down your browser and even pose privacy risks. Make sure you review your extensions here and remove any you no longer need or trust. Finally, it's a good idea to clear your browsing data once in a while. Go to Privacy and Security, delete browsing data, and you can select between Basic or Advanced. You can select the time frame, and then you can select which options you want to clear out. Once you're done selecting everything, click Delete Data. This can significantly speed things up. Real quick, I want to mention the guides that I've created for you to download. These guides will help you get the most out of your devices. The links are in the description. Make sure you check them out after the video. Now let's talk about Microsoft Edge. Edge is built on the same Chromium engine as Chrome is built. Many of the underlying principles are similar, but Edge offers some unique privacy and performance features. Just like Chrome, you'll want to click on the three dots and then go to Settings. Under Privacy, Search, and Services, you'll want to check out Tracking Prevention. Make sure this is turned on and select how you want to adjust your level of settings. Edge also gives you the option to clear cookies and other site data every time you close the browser. If you click in Clear Browsing Data, you can choose what to clear every time you close your browser. Every time you exit Edge, it will delete any of these options that you have turned on. Under Security, ensure that Protect from Harmful Sites and Downloads is turned on. This uses the built-in Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. You can also turn on Block Potentially Unwanted Apps. You can adjust the performance of Edge by going into System and Performance, clicking on System, and turning on Startup Boost. You can also go under Performance and turn on the setting to Fade Sleeping Tabs. This puts inactive tabs to sleep, saving RAM and CPU. Efficiency mode is a great option on a laptop. This helps save battery. Just like Chrome, you'll want to manage your extensions as well. Unused extensions can be a performance and privacy drain. While Chrome and Edge are the most used browsers, there are other options that put privacy and performance at the forefront. Mozilla Firefox is a long-standing open-source browser known for its strong commitment to user privacy. It offers robust built-in tracking protection by default and is highly customizable. If you're looking for a non-Chromium-based browser with a privacy-first philosophy, Firefox is definitely worth checking out. DuckDuckGo is another great option, but you need to understand that there's a difference between the search engine and the actual browser. DuckDuckGo can be set as your search engine within Chrome or Edge. It's a fantastic alternative to Google or Bing if you want private search results. It doesn't track your searches, so you get unbiased results. You can easily set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine in Chrome or Edge for an instant privacy boost, regardless of which browser you use. DuckDuckGo also has its own dedicated browser, available on desktop and mobile. This browser is built with privacy as its core principle. It automatically blocks trackers, forces encrypted connections, provides a privacy grade for each website, and has a handy fire button to instantly clear all your browser data. If you want a browser that's private by default and requires minimal configuration, the DuckDuckGo browser is an excellent choice. So there you have it, a deep dive into the privacy and performance settings you should adjust in Chrome and Edge, along with a look at more privacy-focused alternatives like Firefox and DuckDuckGo. Taking a few minutes to tweak these settings can significantly improve your online privacy, speed up your browsing, and give you more control over your data. Let me know in the comments which browser you prefer and what settings you adjust to protect your privacy or increase performance. If you like this video, make sure you check out this other one as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.